Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ben Speaks TV. And today, wow, the market is just going parabolic in the crypto market. And Dogecoin went up to 36 cents for the first time since 21. And right now, Dogecoin is at around um, 35.79 right now. And let me share my screen with you, bro. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. Do I think that Dogecoin is going to go up to $1? I mean, with the way that it's going right now, I definitely think it is very possible for Dogecoin to go to $1 in the very next future, in the very near future. So for the past 24 hours, Dogecoin went up a whopping 18.75%. And the all-time high here today was, man, 36.32. That is high. And so I got me some Dogecoin last night at around 20 cents or so. Um, Let me go back here real quick to see what the overall crypto market is talking about. All right. So right now, Bitcoin is at $88,000. Wow. And it was at $89,000 earlier. And man, the market cap right now for Bitcoin is 1.7 trillion dollars. That's crazy. And Dogecoin is at, wow, number 6. That is crazy. Dogecoin. Um, so back in 2021, Dogecoin was at around somewhere down here at 11, 12, 13, somewhere here. And right now, and Dogecoin is at number 6. This is crazy. And everything to do with it's back in Dogecoin all the way. And what we need right now with Dogecoin is for X, okay? From Twitter to start accepting it as a form of payment. And you will see Dogecoin instantly skyrocket all the way up to maybe $1, $2, whatever, no. But right now, Dogecoin is just going parabolic with Bitcoin at the same time. And Dogecoin trades with Bitcoin, which is what's crazy. Let's see. Let me share this again. It is crazy what is going on in the market right now. And right now, let me see how many Dogecoins I have. Like I said, back in 2021, I had a lot of Dogecoin. See, but I sold because everybody was selling back in 2021. Everybody was selling. And that was a good idea to sell to. I think it would be dumb to um, I think it would be dumb to be the bag holder when everyone else is selling. So do with that what you will. If you be a bag holder, hey, that's completely up to you. But right now I have 592 Dogecoin, and I plan to get about 10,000 Dogecoins by the time this year is over. Um, so the goal right now will be to get at least up to 1,000 Dogecoin per week. Okay. How many weeks do we even have till the year is over? Let me check real quick. So right now, this is the 11th of November, 2024. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 weeks until the year is over. So 6 weeks and about 2 days, or 6 weeks or 1 day. But yeah. So we have, excuse me, 6 weeks right now before the year is over. So if I'm buying at least up to 1,000 Dogecoins a week, I mean, I might have about 6 to 10,000 coins by the end of this year. That's the goal, and I think I can make it happen. So, and next year, I will just keep adding to that. And the Dogecoin that I'm buying right now, I think I am definitely not going to sell this time. Okay, at least not so quickly, because we still have the next 4 years, and I think Trump will be more bullish on crypto, and with Elon Musk, anything is possible, right? We could have Dogecoin to the moon. Let me see real quick. Yeah. So right now, Dogecoin is back to 36 cents. Let me do something real quick. Okay. So how far do y'all think that Dogecoin is gonna go? I mean, for the last 24 hours, it's crazy what is going on in the crypto market. It is crazy. Okay, let's go to coin coin market cap. There's a word. The accent. You barely get it out. All right, let me see. Let me share this. And you have to be very careful with people who are getting paid to share, okay, like the XRP, for example. And some people will tell you that it's going to the moon, and they will really be crashing because all of them are taking profit, and you are left holding the bag. Let's reject additional cookies. Okay, let's see. So Dogecoin right now has $52 billion in market cap. So I think we've reached the point right now that Dogecoin is definitely not a meme coin anymore. Okay, I mean, yes, yes, at least you can call it a meme coin, but it's $52 billion in market capitalization. There's nothing funny or meme about that. Okay, so let's see. For the last 24 hours, Dogecoin went up to 21%, and for the last wow, 119%. Dogecoin went up 119% in the last 7 days. Can you believe that? Man, if you would have bought here at 16 cents, you would have more than doubled your money right now. That's crazy. It's up 119%. If you bought here at 16 cents, and double will be 32 cents, okay? Give or take maybe 33 cents, right? And you would have more than doubled your money right now. This is crazy, right? So I have um, all my Dogecoin right now on Robinhood because Coinbase. Okay, so this is my opinion, and my opinion only. Coinbase is trash because they got so many fees on Coinbase. It doesn't make any sense. You will lose so much money on Coinbase just by buying and selling, and then you have to make profit to be able to sell because you lost so much money from buying from Coinbase. So that's why I think Coinbase is trash. You might as well go with Robinhood, right? And I have a link below, so please click on that link, get you some free stocks, and sell the stocks and use it to buy Dogecoin, right? I have I am up 21.92%. Okay, since I bought, let me see. Can y'all see this real quick? Okay, I'm not sure if y'all can see it or not, but I am up 21% right now, 22%. It just went up 22%. And I bought some last night. Then I bought some today, and it was around uh, 27 cents, maybe 30 cents area. So this is crazy what's going on here right now. And I think, and some people are probably wondering, is it too late to buy Dogecoin right now? I would say emphatically no. The answer is no, because back in back in 2021, okay, let's go back by 5 years real quick. Or yeah, let's go to 5 years right here. Dogecoin went up to 75%, if I'm correct. I mean, 75 cents. Let me see. Can I do candlesticks instead of the? Let's see. It went up by 73 cents. That's supposed to be 75 cents, but all right. Let's see. So let's say that it goes back up to 73 cents, right? And right now we're at 35 cents. So we still got up to 40 to 42 cents right now to go, right? And for the past, let me see, since 2016, it went up 63,924%. 63,000%. You can never get this kind of gains in stocks. Wow. Imagine if you would have bought Dogecoin here back in, let's say, not even 2016, maybe back in 2020. If you would have bought Dogecoin here in 2020 when it was only $2 billion in market cap. Actually, that was only yeah, that's the volume, not the market cap. But you know what I'm saying. Okay, if you would have bought here back in 2020, that was only 4 years ago, you will be up right now so much it doesn't even make any sense. And let's say that we go back up here to 73, 75 cents, right? Man, the sheer amount of gains that will make you to never go back to stocks again. Let's see, price and market cap. So okay, let's see. Back at wow. The market cap for Dogecoin in 2020 was $590 million. And it's up. How many now? This is crazy. It is up 54 billion right now in the market cap. That's crazy. $52 billion right now in market cap. And it was only 500 and or 400 million dollars back here. Wow. And if you would have bought in 2014, 2015, 2016 area when it was less than $1 million in market cap, man, this was until 2017. 2017. Let's see the first time that it hit 1 million. Okay, so 7 million in market cap back in 2013. Let's see 2020. I think that's a better measure to where we are right now. $335 million. Wow. Compared to $52 billion. That's insane. Do you know the amount of money you could have made by now? It's insane. It's insane. And I plan to have at least up to maybe by the end of 2025, maybe about 50,000 Dogecoins. I just say 50,000 Dogecoins. And let's say that I wanted to buy 50,000 Dogecoin right now. Let's see. Let me go on the Robinhood app right now. Let's say that you wanted to buy 50,000 Dogecoin right now. It will cost you about $18,000. 18,000. That's $1,000. If you were to buy 50,000 Dogecoin right now, it will cost you about $18,000. And if this goes up, I think millionaires will be made on Dogecoin. A lot of millionaires will be made on Dogecoin. And Dogecoin is just getting started, I think, because we still have 4 years of this bullish crypto market when Bitcoin is at $88,000. Let's see. Yeah, $88,877. And don't get disillusioned. It will 100% pull back. Okay. So you have to be careful not to chase because what goes up will inevitably come down. And right now, Dogecoin will probably go back and test. Let's see. Let's go back to the 7-day chart right here. Okay. I say Dogecoin will probably pull back to this 27, 28 cents area before it goes up again. Okay, so these are the areas to watch right here: 27, 28 cents, and right here about 25 cents, right? And 20 to 23 cents. So for the next few levels for Dogecoin, I think it will. If we lose this momentum right now, I think it will probably go back to 30 cents, then somewhere 28 cents, then finally come back and retest the 24, 25 cents right here area. Let's see for the past month. Man, it just went straight up. Let's say something breaks in the market, right? Dogecoin could very well go back to where it was last week at 16 and 17 cents, right? And today is November 11, 2024. And the time right now is 9:10 p.m. Eastern time. So Dogecoin, I will be looking for it to retest 29 to 30 cents right here and probably retest 25 cents and then finally 20 cents. But let's say, everything just keep going up like it's been going for the past few days and Bitcoin just goes to 100,000. Let's just say, hey, everything just works out and Bitcoin just goes to 100,000, right? Then Dogecoin will probably go to 50 cents. Because think about it, if we doubled for the past 7 days from 16, 17 cents all the way to 36 cents today and back to 35 cents right now. If we more than doubled for the last 7 days and Bitcoin goes to 100,000, I am saying it right now, Dogecoin will easily go to 50 cents because of the enthusiasm finally coming back to the crypto market. And we still have a lot of people out there who think that crypto is a scam. And people do use crypto to scam. But really think about it. People scam people more with cash. There's counterfeits. You can easily lose your paper money. You could get robbed. People scam people out of money all the time. So crypto is just another avenue of exchange and trading. And inevitably, crypto will be used for nefarious reasons, but it doesn't mean that crypto is not what it could be, because right now the potential for crypto is just beginning. We haven't even seen what could come of crypto, and Bitcoin is the digital gold. And right now we haven't even begun to see what is possible with crypto, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin could be used as the people's currency. I literally see Dogecoin right now being used as the people's currency. And all of this could start with X, formerly known as Twitter. If Elon Musk right now just be like, hey, from now on, we are accepting Dogecoin. This is how the exchange is going to be. Maybe this much Dogecoin for $1. You could exchange $1 for maybe whatever. As a matter of fact, let's not speculate. Let's go back to Robinhood app. Let's say that I wanted to buy $1 in Dogecoin right now. Let me see how much it will cost me. Let me see how many Dogecoin it will cost for $1. There's 3 cents for $1, 8 cents. I mean, three Dogecoins for $1, 8 cents. So let's say $2. I mean, 2.9 Dogecoins, 2.8 Dogecoins. Yes. So if Elon just come on right now, let's just round it up. And he says for every Dogecoin, for every three Dogecoin, you could exchange that for $1, right? And you could buy something for $1 for three Dogecoins on X, right? And just like that, Dogecoin becomes a currency, and you will see a freaking parabolic move to the moon. This is the actual blast off right here that we're waiting for. This is literally what people in the crypto market are literally dreaming about right now, dreaming for Dogecoin to go to a place where it is used as a form of currency. And wow, this could literally be the greatest thing that ever happened to Dogecoin. If just one platform just say, hey, we are going to start accepting Dogecoin. You could trade your dollar for this amount of Dogecoin, and you could exchange it for our services. You could even something like the Twitter Blue. You could use Dogecoin to buy your check marks, right? You trade your dollar for the Dogecoin and use it for your check mark, just like that. Dogecoin is just something that can be traded, something that could be used as real, tangible monetary value. Now, that's a way to rocket those into the moon. And right now, Dogecoin is at 35.96, almost at 36 cents again. And tomorrow, I am definitely going to bring this up. Let me see. I am slowly dollar cost averaging. I'm not just gonna buy 5,000, 10,000 Dogecoin today because it wouldn't make sense, right? In everything, it's all about moderation. And in investing, it's called dollar cost averaging. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Make sure you buy stocks, you buy crypto, and not just Dogecoin. Buy in crypto, which is Bitcoin. And I should probably get some more Bitcoin, but right now, Bitcoin is all the way up there. If you invest $10,000 in Bitcoin right now, you won't get as much as you will get if you put $10,000 in Dogecoin. You will make way more money just for the sheer amount of coins that you will have, right? And when you buy crypto, they are not called shares like stocks. You are not buying shares, you are buying coins, right? And right now, on the Robinhood app, Dogecoin it's back to 36 cents. And on Coin Market Cap, it's lagging behind a little bit, but that's okay. We know where it's at. All right. So let's say that you wanted to buy 10,000 Dogecoin right now. Let's see. That will cost you approximately $3,608. If you put in, if you just, I mean, if you got that kind of money and it's just a play money for you, that's fine. But for the vast majority of people who has who have, mortgages, car payments, children, responsibilities, bills, you know, you have to dollar cost average into it. And over time, that's the fastest way to build wealth next to real estate. When you slowly build your nest egg, and over the years, you become a millionaire out of nowhere, all because you've put in $100 here, $1,000 here, $2,000, a month. Next month you put in 1,000. Next month you put in 500, 5,000. Yeah, I mean, whatever. By the time, slowly just keep building it up, building it up, building it up, and before you know it, you have $1 million. That's called the slow, steady but sure way of building wealth. Right? I am fortunate right now to be in a place where I have my own home. I bought my own home. So I have real estate now. I have to start accumulating more stocks, right? In crypto. And right now, I was really focused on buying a house first and then start building up my portfolio. Some people do it the other way around. Some people want to maximize their portfolio to the best of their abilities before they buy property. But there's no right or wrong way to invest, whichever way works for you. If you can buy one or two properties and you feel that is the best investment for you, or you put all your money in the stock market, maybe $30,000, instead of using that as a down payment for a house, you use it to put it in all stocks, that's fine too. That's your way of doing things, right? And there's no right or wrong way of doing things. At the end of the day, what the goal is to build wealth and get there, right? If stocks and crypto first gets you there, that's completely fine. That's completely fine. And if buying real estate first and then focusing on stocks and crypto gets you there, that's completely fine too. And that's the way I'm choosing to do it, to focus on real estate first and then slowly build my nest egg on stocks and crypto, right? And right now, I'm really focused on getting a second property in the next few months, maybe by summer 2025. And I'm starting to save up for that too, right? And while I'm slowly, putting in a little bit here, putting in a little bit there, in stocks and crypto, my goal is still to get maybe, well, not maybe. My goal right now is to get one property a year, right? One property every single year. Buy one property every year. And it is completely doable, right? It's completely doable. If you think you can do it and you believe that you can do it, you will start, first of all, put in the work to find a way to do it. And you will invest the time, the energy to read, research, find ways to do it, right? For example, if you think that's a way, you will surprisingly find a way to do it because the universe has a funny way of doing things when you are fully committed to doing it, right? For example, when I bought my property, right, I had to come up with extra $5,000, and I was like, man, how am I going to come up with this extra $5,000? And the appraisal for my house just happened to come in $6,000 over the asking price, and I I factored in the appraisal price into the closing costs, which means um, $5,000 was built into the loan because um, 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 because the appraisal was way higher than um, the value of the property, right? So I came up with the extra money that way because I was fully committed to buying this property because this property is going to be very high in value because of the surroundings and all the developments in the area. So you have to find a way to make it happen. If it means buying stocks first, buying crypto first, buying real estate first, I choose to buy real estate first. And right now, I am slowly buying Dogecoin, buying stocks, buying crypto, buying everything because if you find a way, if you think you can do it, you will find a way to do it. And once you start searching for ways to do it, there are funny ways for you to find ways to come up with the money to get what you want. Okay. Like, for example, my goal is to get 10,000 Dogecoin right now by the end of this year. And I am going to make it happen because I've decided that I'm going to make it happen. And if you decide, I mean, right now we got about 6 weeks left before this year is over, right? If you decide right now that you want 1,000 Dogecoin by the time this year is over, 10,000 Dogecoin by the time this year is over, 20,000 Dogecoin by the time this year is over, you will find a way to do it, right? All right. We are running at 34 minutes right now. All right. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. Dogecoin to the moon. And I'll be back to bring you more. All right. This is Ben with Ben Speaks TV. Thank you for watching. And if no one told you, you are awesome. All right. Keep doing your thing. And I will see you in the next live stream. And please make sure that you subscribe, share with your friends, like, and I will that will motivate me to keep making more content for you because this is just the beginning. And I am dedicated and committed to growing this channel. And I am going to make it happen. Thank you for listening. I am Ben, and this is Ben Speaks TV, and I will see you in the next one.